All right, box break is on.
Number one.
Gold standard.
Here we go.
Box one.
So here we go. Go straight from the top.
Matthew.
Ooh, Atlanta Hawks. Already someone's got something. So, you know. Some on this side. All right, here we go. So base card, Joe Johnson, Atlanta Hawks. Oh. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, Milwaukee Bucks. All right, so here we go with the double golden threads of Julius Erving and Iguodala. It's an insert card.
Okay.
So that's a Philadelphia 76er. Gold nuggets of Jason Richardson, Orlando Magic. LeBron James, USA card. Gold medalist, regular card. It's an insert. So that would be, I'm assuming it's going to be Cleveland Cavaliers, okay? So Westbrook, Russell Westbrook.
Nice.
Gold crowns, insert card. All right, we got a Dwayne Wade jersey card. Miami Heat, numbered out of 299. Golden State Warriors, actually, very nice card. Stephon Curry autograph card. It's kind of cool. Numbered to 99. Kendrick Perkins, Oklahoma City Thunder. Nice. That's a case hit. Nice card.
Nice.
Then we got an Iguodala patch card. Ooh, Oklahoma City Thunder is coming strong. Numbered out of 25 for the Philadelphia 76ers. Nice patch.
And here's Ibaka.
Then we got a Serge Ibaka autograph. Oklahoma City Thunder.
Please don't
Numbered
touch.
to 299. And a Steve Nash Phoenix Suns card. Regular base card.
Nice.
So that's box number one.
Box one.
Awesome. So I would like to say that it looked like in that box, Oklahoma City Thunder was a good box.
Yeah,
And
that
I
was
think
definitely
that might
Oklahoma.
be
Who's got Thunder?
Phil.
Phil.
Nice. This is basically box number two. All right, Chris Webber, Washington Bullets, regular card. Steph Curry, Golden State Warriors, regular card. Amari Stoudemire, New York Knicks, insert card. DJ Augustine, Bobcats, insert card. Golden Age, David Robinson, San Antonio Spurs.
It's an insert too.
Insert card. Russell Westbrook again. Gold Stars insert card.
Thunder.
Thunder.
Celtics.
Rajon Rondo.
Nice.
Wow, that's a nice one.
Patch Auto,
Nice.
a Celtic fan in the crowd. My sons will be very happy with that card. Numbered out of 25. Thank you, John. Appreciate it. My kids will enjoy it. Thank
That's
you.
a gift, right?
Thank you. That's a gift, right? We said the first Celtic card, right?
Yeah, it's a good card. What is it numbered to, that Celtic?
That one is numbered out of
It's a
25.
low number too.
14 of 25, not quite his jersey
job.
numbers. So, let's see. Chris Paul, New Orleans. Jersey card, numbered out of 299. Derek Favors autograph card, Utah Jazz. Whoever got Utah,
That
that's a
should be
nice
low
card.
numbered.
Monta Ellis, Golden State Warriors, jersey card, numbered out of 249. George Hill, San Antonio Spurs, autograph card, numbered out of 299. And the last card in box number two, Glenn Rice, Charlotte Hornets, regular card. So that's box number two. Who had Utah Jazz? Oh, John Tromba. Wow, nice.
That was your box.
Very nice.
That was all you.
All right.
This is fun.
Haven't seen anything Lakers yet.
Hey, listen.
Just kind of weird, but
What's going
yeah.
on, C-Cat?
Because everybody wanted Lakers, 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 I remember hearing, so.
Don't record him. Why? Because you're wearing Celtics and you like Celtics? cold one.
All right, number 3. Here we go.
There's a cold one there.
Autograph?
Calling it, huh?
Autograph? Yeah.
All right.
Let's hope so.
You know.
All right, here we go. I hope so too.
Yeah, he hopes so too.
Woo! All right, Kevin Love, Minnesota Timberwolves.
Okay.
Regular card. Omri Caspi, Sacramento Kings. Regular card. Dallas Mavericks, Rolando Blackman, Jason Kidd. Double insert card.
Mm-hmm.
Pau Gasol, finally we hear from the Lakers. Regular insert card. Gold Nuggets. Might not be a Laker for long, but you know, we'll see. Ooh, this is a nice card. I was hoping it was a Oscar Robertson, but Milwaukee Bucks.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I thought it might be a. Okay.
Interesting.
So there we go, Milwaukee Bucks. Julius Irving. Insert, numbered out of 299.
Mm-hmm.
Hakeem Olajuwon. Jersey card, Houston Rockets. Numbered out of 299.
299 is
Eric Gordon autograph card.
Clippers.
Numbered out of 299. Clippers.
Mm-hmm.
Kendrick Perkins again. Wow.
That's a Thunderbox.
Autograph. That's a
Team logo
case hit
patch.
also
Mm-hmm. Case hit.
of Kendrick Perkins. Wow. Lucky it wasn't a Celtic card. Monta Ellis gold bars. It's a Monta Ellis case too. Numbered out of 199.
Mm-hmm.
Golden State Warriors. LaMarcus Aldridge autograph card, Portland Trail Blazers. Numbered out of 299. And Carlos Boozer. Box number 3 is done.
Okay.
Regular card. Box number 4. Daniel Gibson, Cleveland Cavaliers. Regular card. J.J. Barea, Dallas Mavericks. Regular card. Kevin Love, I don't know what it is. It's numbered 7 out of 8.
Ooh, low number.
Let's see. That's the gold card. So Minnesota Timberwolves.
You got
See,
Timberwolves?
sometimes it's the way it is. So numbered out of 8. That's the gold card. That's definitely a case hit there. Andre Miller, Portland Trailblazers. Insert card. Numbered out of 299. Alonzo Mourning, USA card. Regular card.
Mm-hmm.
Jerry West, goal, regular insert card.
Oh, cool.
We have a gold team logo. It's card number 37. We may have to keep you guys in suspense and keep that because you guys won't know who it is until later. So we'll leave that right over there.
There's a checklist somewhere.
Derrick Rose, Chicago Bulls, jersey card. Numbered out of 199. Kevin Love. This is a Timberwolves box. Jersey card, numbered out of 199.
A gold and a jersey.
Channing Frye, autograph card. Phoenix Suns, numbered out of 220. TJ Ford, Indiana Pacers. That might be the first Indiana Pacer card. Autograph, numbered out of 199. And a LeBron James regular card, Miami Heat, numbered out of 299.
You want to look this one up real quick? What
So
is it?
card number 37 is Tyson Chandler, so it should be a Dallas Maverick card. Should be a team logo, Dallas Maverick card. Phil? So, very nice. Awesome.
Cool.
We're going to have to double check that just to make sure,
Yeah.
but it looks like that's the card. That is, so.
You got the gold, huh? 14K. Nice job.
Birdman. Alrighty, guys, here we go. Chris Anderson, Denver Nuggets, Birdman.
Birdman.
Ooh, Juwan Howard, where'd that come from? Miami Heat. Ooh, going throwback on this. Brad Doherty, Cleveland Cavaliers. Regular card. Oh, numbered to 25. Rudy Gay, insert card. Numbered out of 299. Dwayne Wade, Miami Heat, USA card. 299. Phoenix Suns, Steve Nash. Oh, here we go. The double autograph
Here's another case hit.
is double autograph Muggsy Bogues, Johnny Flynn. Wow. Number out of 50. Dominique Jones, Dallas Mavericks autograph. Numbered out of 25. Very nice. Dominique Jones. Kevin Love, jersey card. Numbered out of 199. Mark Price, jersey card. Numbered out of 299. It's a USA.
USA.
I think that's Cleveland, right? Cleveland Cavaliers? I think.
Yeah, it is.
James Anderson, rookie card, San Antonio Spurs. Numbered to 299. And a regular Dwight Howard card, Orlando, numbered out of 299.
Cool.